Probe exclusively distributes Stanley Fatmax air and tool products here in South Africa, right from your DIY use to big industrial compressors. Backed by global brand Fini, these air compressor units all come with excellent technical specs. Meet the Futura, a powerful, compact reciprocating compressor. From inflating to spray painting to cleaning to stapling, you are going to wonder what you did without it. What I like is that it's light and it's really easy to move around, weighing in at about 20 kgs. What we have here is a 24 litre vertical tank, but you can get it from 5 litres up to 50 litre tanks. With a net air output of 135 litres per minute and air pressure up to 10 bars, it is ideal to power all kinds of pneumatic tools. And you know, with the right tool, we literally can do anything and everything. Let's see how it works. We've got a Henry over here to help us. We just want to top up the air pressure in our Range Rover Evoque, just make sure everything's running right. We've obviously filled the tank already beforehand. Simple as that, and we're putting air into our tires. What I like is that the rubber feet on this unit are really helpful in keeping it stable, and the large gauges you see are really easy for us to monitor. We've got the right amount of air pressure in. That looks good, Henry. Thank you. Good job. Now, when it comes to cleaning your engine after a big trip, air is actually a way safer option than water. You can use this to blow most of the caked on dirt and debris right out of your engine bay. Attach an engine cleaning gun to direct the air into hard to reach places. This suction hose can pump solvent through as well if you need a more intense clean. You're soon going to take your engine from this to this. This is also really handy for completing auto repair jobs. Air ratchet tools make it really simple to get at those tough bolts in tighter spaces or where you have a rusty component. Air compressors also make your spray painting projects a breeze. Probe has more heavy-duty compressors in their range, which offer larger air reserves and higher performance. Get a hold of the team at Probe and you'll soon have the right one for your needs.